everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. As you can see, I have small canvases today and we are going to create something amazing at the studio. We have an abstract art workshop for the kids where they will learn how to create abstract art by simple drizzling and pouring paint onto the canvas. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So here I have acrylic paints. I have lots of colors. I'm using multicolors and I'm going to pour them directly onto the canvases. And as you can see, I'm using liquid acrylic paints. You can get these paints easily from any art store, from Amazon. And in case if you don't want to use many colors, you can even create something amazing with just black and white. I love the combination of black and white. And after pouring this, please don't miss the main step. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. And if the kids are watching this video, please do try this at home. This is very easy. Believe me, my students, they were so happy. It was so much fun. And all the kids were so happy to take their paintings home with big smiles. So do try this easy art at home. And if you like today's video, then please do like and comment. If you are watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel. Just look at this. Oh my god, it turned out so beautiful, colorful. I absolutely love it. And now I'm drizzling and splattering some paint on top to add some highlights to the painting. This part is optional. If you want, you can skip this part. And after this, you will see the amazing art of my students. As I said before, it was so much fun. Believe me, it was so much fun. And all my students were so happy to take their paintings home with big smiles. You should definitely try this easy peasy art at home. If you want, you can even use bigger size of canvases to make colorful art for your room.